How to see open snaps again on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to see open snap again on Snapchat. For that case, go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account. When logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and here go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. Next thing, you need to go ahead and press the gear icon, scroll right to the bottom and go to my data. When you select my data, it's going to take you to the field where you have to go ahead and select it accordingly. So this is how it's going to look like right on this page. So all you have to do is just scroll down right to the bottom and then tap the next button, then select and then click the submit button. Next thing, you just have to go ahead and read all of these terms and conditions, and if you're sure about it, then click the submit button. They'll respond to your matter within 24 to 48 hours, and then you can see your open snap again on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.